I'm Kristen Burchard, speech pathologist, and today I have with me
Alyssa McCarthy, also speech pathologist.
Today we're going to be showing you how you can use Proloquo and model the device while you are doing a structured activity with your child at home. So today we have Candyland with us. We have the device, which is an iPad with the Proloquo2go software. And first I'll show you how you can model if you have a communication board, and then we'll show you how you can do it if you just have the device. All I did for this communication board was screenshot the first page and then print it out so that I have my own copy and don't have to touch the child's voice. So I'll show you. Alyssa's going to be the child, I'm going to be the adult, and we will model some of these things for you. Alyssa, what color do you want? Oh, you picked yellow. Let's talk about it. Go to describe, colors. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. She picked yellow. Good job, Alyssa. I want green. We'll go back to the home screen. I'll say, Alyssa, you go. So Alyssa's taking her turn. Oh, candy. That looks good.
Good.
Good, yum. So you go to the candy spot. Good job. Now I will go. You can tell me, you go.
You go. Good, you go.
Okay, I'll take my turn. Ooh, 2 orange. 1, 2. I'm done. Now you go. Blue. You have blue. Good job. Now we're going to show you what this might look like if you don't have a communication board to model. So pretend I don't have this. We only have the device, and I'm just going to model straight on the device. Alyssa.
What?
What color do you want? Oh, you said I want.
Want.
We go to describe, colors.
Yellow. I want yellow.
You want yellow. What a good choice. Put it here. Now I go.
Go. I go.
I want green. I want. Describe, colors.
Green. I want green.
I want green. Now it's your turn. You go.
Go. You go.
Orange. Wow.
What?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it? You could say it.
It
is. Describe. Colors.
Orange. It is orange.
It is orange. Nice job. You go on orange. Okay, whose turn is it?
You go. You go.
Okay, I'll go take my turn. I pick a card. Oh, look. I have. Describe. Colors.
Blue. I have blue.
I have blue. Let me go 1 blue. Whoop. Okay, whose turn is it?
Go. I go.
All right, you're going, Alyssa. Oh, candy. It looks good.
Good.
Good job.
Go.
So this is how you can use the device to model even if you don't have a communication board. All you have to do is push the buttons as you say them so that when Alyssa or your own child wants to say the sentence herself, she knows where the buttons are located and what order they go in. If you have any questions, you can comment below or you can ask your child's speech language pathologist.